Let me teach you how to create an AI model from scratch. If you're someone who do not have the resources to hire a model for your brand, open a Canva project page, head to apps and search for Gen Model. Choose this, select the gender of your model and choose the age of your model by simply moving this back and forth. Upload the image of your product. Choose the ethnicity of your model and the skin tone. Now select the aspect ratio and that's it. Click on generate and after a few seconds, Canva AI will generate an AI model with your product. And here is it. Simply increase the size of the image and here is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe, comment and like for more.